Tired of your business being held back by disconnected systems and glacial integration speeds? You're not alone. Trying to connect today's dynamic applications with legacy middleware from 30 years ago is like trying to stream 4K video on dial-up. Slow, painful, and unproductive. Sound familiar? For years, you've dealt with the rising costs of maintaining outdated integration platforms, contracts that feel like relics, and endless migration projects that drain your team. Not to mention the Frankenstein platforms cobbled together through acquisitions, leaving you with more headaches than solutions. It's time for a change. It's time to say goodbye to the old way and hello to what's next. MuleSoft. In a world of agentic AI, connecting and securing your data and business processes has never been more critical. Leaving your data unsecured can lead to revenue loss, privacy breaches, legal problems, and cause an erosion of customer trust. That's why thousands of companies around the world trust MuleSoft. We help to future-proof your business as it evolves. Breaking up with legacy systems doesn't have to be a painful ordeal. With our expert guides and tools, we help analyze the complexity and duration of your migration so you can make a more stable transition. Plus, we offer flexible commercial arrangements to fit businesses of every size, helping you reduce costs during the switch. So whether you're facing a simple connectivity challenge or a complex integration puzzle, MuleSoft's constantly evolving platform is ready for whatever comes next. That's why we're the #1 market leader and why over 1,000 customers have already made the move from legacy to MuleSoft. The results? On average, they're slashing maintenance costs by a staggering 74% and accelerating their time to market by an incredible 78%. Build your business with an integration partner you can count on today to power your tomorrow. Honestly, breakups have never felt better.